iQOO is gearing up to launch the Z9 Turbo Endurance Edition on January 3, 2025. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Endurance Edition is designed to balance a slim profile and a robust battery. The phone measures just 7.98 mm thick and weighs 196 g while housing a 6,400 mAh. iQOO claims the device maintains the same thickness, offering users extended usability without compromising on portability. According to official claims, the phone can continuously play videos for an impressive 22.7 hours, making it ideal for heavy multimedia usage. The new model will debut in an exclusive flying blue color variant, which features a textured back cover with a wavy pattern. Its rear dual-camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with OIS stabilization and an 8MP secondary lens and 16MP front camera. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It may offer of 16GB RAM. It has a 6.78-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate, promises vivid visuals and smooth scrolling, and support 80W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.